Hello, Henry degroh here from degroh Innovation, uh, which is my company. And today I'm trying to share with you the sound that chimney swifts make when they come down and feed their young. So I've got some nesting chimney swifts in my chimney here, and in a few minutes one of the parents will come down and all the chicks will cry for food. And that's the sound that I'm trying to capture. So I'm going to sit here and talk about the chimney swifts until one of the parents comes home, and then I'll shut up. And you can hear the sounds and perhaps the volume, because sometimes people might complain about the racket that the little babies make. Now this is mid-July in the summer, July 2026. So the chicks have been here for a couple of weeks. So they're growing up, being fed by the chimney swifts, flying around my house, eating mostly mosquitoes. It's something like they eat like their body weight in mosquitoes every day, or 1/3 their body weight. Some like huge number of mosquitoes. So it's a beneficial bird. So that's what I want to try and capture today, the sound that the chicks make when one of the parents comes down to give them a snack. Now, the chimney swift is a protected bird. So if you hear some racket like this in your chimney, don't go up there and just start ripping, with your rubber gloves or whatever, ripping the nests out. Their nests are glued to the side wall of your chimney with their saliva and stuff, made from little sticks that the birds have collected in midair. Okay, and the bird has migrated here from the rainforests of Peru in South America, one of the longest migratory routes of any animal in the world, the chimney swift. Now, as I was trying to get around to, the chimney swift is a protected bird. So if you want to get rid of your chimney swifts, you have to wait until the fall, till after they leave, and then you can put a cover or something like that on your chimney so they don't come back next year. For me, I love the chimney swifts. I can sit out in my backyard and I don't seem to be bothered by mosquitoes, at least not much. When I go to my father's house and stepmom's house, sometimes I am just attacked by mosquitoes. Or sometimes when I go up to my cabin in Minnesota, I'm just covered in mosquitoes and you have to put DEET on or something like that to keep them off. But the chimney swifts are whirling around my house, gobbling up the mosquitoes. I want to get some bat houses too, so I have night and daytime attacks on the mosquitoes, but haven't gotten around to that. Anyway, so when it's wintertime here, it's summertime in South America, and the chimney swifts are down there. Then in very early spring, they will fly all the way up to my chimney. Same family of birds have been nesting in my chimney for about 20 years. So somehow they make it back here every year. And I think I've got 2, maybe 3 nests of birds in my chimney. Around my house, I see 2 or 3 pairs of birds flying around pretty high up, making a little chattering sound. They flap their wings fast and then soar, flap their wings fast, and Now I have a conventional old style damper up here that is closed. So the damper is closed, keeps them out, and that's what we hear. I can hear them fluttering, and I hear that might be the parents, or maybe it's the little chicks practicing, you know, their wings. One time, a chimney swift got down into this area of my fireplace. This was closed, so he was trapped in there, and he had trouble getting out. Now, I'm a bit of a Dr. Doolittle, and I was able to just reach in and grab him with my hand and take him outside. Now, so I got a good look at them. They have very kind of big eyes because they have to spot little tiny mosquitoes while they're flying around rapidly, and they have a delicate hooked beak that's specialized for catching, eating, whatever, these little airborne insects. So that's the sound of the chimney swift. That was we got it, and I love them, I live with them, and I never put a cap on my chimney.